Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Parimla, professor in Velala College of Education. Today's topic is educational measurement and evaluation. Let us see about concept of measurement. Measurement refers to the process by which the attributes or dimensions of some physical object are determined. When used in the context of learning, it refers to applying a standard scale or measuring device to an object, a series of objects, events or conditions, according to the practices accepted by those who are skilled in the use of the device or scale. Definition of measurement. E.L. Thorndike stated that anything that exists at all exists in some quantity, and anything that exists in some quantity is capable of being measured. Measurement of any kind is a matter of determining how much or how little, how great or how small, how much more than or how much less than. The Encyclopedia of Educational Research explains measurement in more refined terms. To measure means to observe or determine the magnitude of a variant. Now let us see about two types of measurement. One is physical measurement, another one is mental measurement. Physical measurement. Physical measurement is the measurement of the object which has absolute existence. So now let us take an example. We measure the height of individuals, the weight of rice, etc. Here we directly measure the height or weight of an individual, and all the measuring tools of physical measurement starts from zero. Physical measurement is always accurate and quantitative, and there are some set of tools for physical measurement all over the world. Second one is mental measurement. Mental measurement is also known as educational measurement or psychological measurement. It is always relative and there is no absolute zero in case of mental measurement. For example, for measuring the intelligence of a person, we have to take the help of intelligence tests, which are subjective in nature. So, through his response, we can know the level of intelligence of the person concerned. Mental measurement is both qualitative and quantitative in nature, and there are no fixed tools for such measurement. That is, the same set of tools may not be applied to different types of persons. So now let us see about characteristics of good measurement tool. Should be valid. Validity of a test refers to its truthfulness. It refers to the extent to which a test measures what it actually wishes to measure. Suppose we want to know whether a numerical reasoning test is valid. If it really measures the reasoning ability, the test can be said to be valid. Second one is should be reliable. Reliability means the consistency of a measuring instrument depends on how accurately it measures, right? So it refers to the faithfulness of the test. To express in a general way, if a measuring instrument measures consistently, it is reliable. For example, a test is administered on English to the students of class 6th. In this test, Ram scores 50. After a few days, the same test is conducted and Ram scores 50. Here the test is reliable because there is consistency in the result. Third one is should be objective. Objectivity of a test refers to two aspects. One is item objectivity, that is objectivity of the items. Second one is scoring objectivity, objectivity of scoring. By item objectivity, we mean that the items of the test must need a definite single answer. So if the answer is scored by different examiners, the marks would not vary. So ambiguous questions, lack of proper direction, double-barreled questions, questions with double negatives, essay type questions must be avoided because they lack objectivity. By objectivity of scoring, we mean that by whomever scored, the test would fetch the same score. Thus, mostly the objective type questions should be framed to maintain the objectivity of the test. Fourth one is should be usable and practicable. Usability refers to the practicability of the test. In the teaching learning situation, by usability we mean the degree to which the test can be successfully used by teachers and school administrators. Fifth characteristics of good measurement tool is should be comprehensive and precise. The test must be comprehensive and precise. It means that the items must be free from ambiguity. The direction to test item must be clear and understandable. The directions for administration and for scoring must be clearly stated so that a classroom teacher can easily understand and follow them. Sixth one is should be easy in administering. If the directions for administration are complicated or if they involve more time and labor, the users may lag behind. So for example, Wessler's Adult Intelligence Scale WAIS is a good test but its administration is very difficult. Seventh one should be economical. A measurement tool should be less time consuming. The cost of the test must be reasonable so that the school's educational institution can afford to purchase and use it. Eighth one should be easy in scoring. The scoring procedure of the test should be clear and simple. The scoring directions and adequate scoring key should be provided to the scorer so that the test is easily scored. Now, ninth characteristics of good measurement tool is should be easily available. Some standardized tests are well known all over India, but they are not easily available. Such tests have less usability. It is desirable that in order to be usable, the test must be readily and easily available. Tenth one should have good and attractive get-up appearance. The quality of paper used, typography and printing, letter size, spacing, pictures and diagrams presented, its binding, space for pupils' responses, etc. need to be of very good quality and attractive. Now let us see the topic, nature of educational measurement and evaluation. Evaluation is an act or process that assigns value to a measure. When we are evaluating, we are making a judgment so as to the suitability, desirability or value of a thing. So in the teaching learning situation, evaluation is a continuous process and is concerned with more than just the formal academic achievement of students. So evaluation refers to the assessment of a student's progress towards stated objectives, the efficiency of the teaching and the effectiveness of the curriculum. The next topic is definition of evaluation. J.M. Bradfield defines evaluation as the assignment of symbols to phenomenon in order to characterize the worth or value of the phenomenon, usually with reference to some social, cultural and scientific standards. Then Wrightstone stated evaluation is a relatively new technical term introduced to designate a more comprehensive concept of measurement than is implied in conventional test and examination. Then Hanna defined evaluation as the process of gathering and interpreting evidence on change in the behavior of all students as they progress through school. Now let us see the next topic, characteristics of evaluation. It is a systematic process. It measures the effectiveness of learning that experience provides. It measures how far the instructional objectives have been achieved. It uses certain tools like test, observation, interview, etc. It is a continuous process. It is a subjective judgment. It is philosophical in nature. It includes quantitative description, qualitative description, and value judgment. It gets data from measurement. It not only determines the magnitude but also adds meaning to measurement. It involves values and purposes. These are the characteristics of evaluation. Thank you supporters for listening and have a great day.